Ninong Robert Bautista. Set and ready to race. And the rough. Early lead is taken by Cock-a-doodle-doo. Queen Shira moving up by the rail. It's Queen Shita in the lead, followed by Per on the outside. Cock-a-doodle-doo, Escopeta, Kingsguard, and Popsicle is bringing up the rear. But it's still Queen Shita leading the field by a length, followed by Cock-a-doodle-doo, Per on the outside, Escopeta, and Kingsguard moving up on the inside, Popsicle. The mid-back stretch, Queen Shita by half a length, followed by Cock-a-doodle-doo on the outside, and Kingsguard moving up on the inside together with Escopeta. And at the far turn, Queen Shita and Kingsguard. The last bend for home, the lead is taken over now by entry number 2, and that is Kingsguard, and moving up in between horses, Escopeta. Queen Shita on the farther outside, and at the top of the stretch is Kingsguard by the rail, Escopeta on the outside. On the farther outside is Popsicle, and in between horses is Queen Shita, but it's still Kingsguard in the lead, followed by Popsicle on the outside. It's Kingsguard and Popsicle on the outside, and finally at the pipeline, Kingsguard, Popsicle, Escopeta, Queen Shita, Per, and entry number 5, Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Okay, 2-1-3.